reporter on this windy morning here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. I have my 40-pound Martin recurve and we're shooting at 17 yards. Where I do my editing, I got my inspiration for today's video. There's lots and lots of birds. They're small birds and they make a lot of noise. I thought they're all over the place. They're out here, they're in the trees. Well, there's doves, there's pigeons, there's quail, some cactus wren. That's what we're going to shoot today into the target behind me. So let's do it. Red arrow represents the northern cardinal and not the ball team that plays here, and their home field is in Glendale. The bird. And the northern cardinal scores an 11. Not bad for first shots of the day. Yellow arrow represents the sparrow. And the sparrow scores a 21. Yay! Almost in the 9 ring. It's getting close. Yay! Orange arrow represents the wren. There's several different types. The cactus wren, the house wren. And the wren scores a 13 and a miss, but he hits the 9 ring. Yay! Way to go! White arrow represents woodpeckers. Now there's so many different varieties of woodpeckers, I could probably do a video just on those. So they represent all woodpeckers. Woodpeckers score a 20. Wow! That puts them in second place. Yay! Way to go! Black arrow represents the American crow. The American crow, black arrow, scores an 11. I think maybe, no, that's tied with red arrow for last place. Blue arrow represents blue jays. Blue jays, blue arrow, scores a 20. That's tied with white arrow, the woodpecker. Wow, those two arrows are pretty darn close. That's amazing. Brown arrow represents the American robin. Brown arrow, the American robin, scores a 21, which ties them for first place with the sparrow, I believe. Yep. Yellow arrow, the sparrow. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Green arrow represents the mourning dove. Well, all doves really. Green arrow shoots one in the 9 ring. Yay! It is in the 9 ring. I checked. It did not break the line. So they score a 23. That puts them in first place. Yes! And the crowd goes wild. Yay! Green arrow. Purple arrow represents the northern mockingbird. Now, in first place is the mourning dove that just shot with 23 points. Tied for second place is the sparrow with 21 points and the American robin also with 21 points. Tied for third place is the blue jay and the woodpecker. That's what he's up against. Northern mockingbird. And the mockingbird scores one in the 9 ring. Yay! but only a 13 and a miss. Okay, we have a shoot off for second place. High score will take second place. Low score will be eliminated between yellow arrow and brown arrow. American robin, sparrow. Wow, would you look at that? The sparrow shoots a 10 ring and the robin shoots a 6 ring. So the sparrow will take second place. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Hip hip hooray! Now we have a shoot off for third place between blue jays and woodpeckers. Blue jays shoot first. Woodpeckers next. Blue jays score an 8. Woodpeckers score a 6. Blue jays take third place. Yay! We'll see you at the winner's circle. This is your Action News reporter, windblown Action News reporter, here at the winner's circle. In center ring, we have green arrow with 23 points representing the mourning dove, or all doves actually. On your right, we have yellow arrow representing the sparrow with 10 points in the shoot-off. And on your left, in another shoot-off, in a separate shoot-off, blue arrow representing the blue jay with 8 points in a shoot-off. There are your winners, your small common birds that you see just about everywhere. We, the winners, would like to wish you a good day.